Another rainy day here at the Rylee Ranch. Let's check in with all the animals. Good morning, Merida. The goats only come out in the rain when there's food. Simone, that was a pretty big bite in the rain. Let's see if the chickens want to come out in the rain. Come on, everyone. Don't let the rain bother you. But you know, on a rainy day, not everybody's outside. Maurice and LeFou are hanging out inside today. Hi, guys. You know who else is inside today? These new baby pigeons. One of the strangest creatures. What you doing down there, Anastasia? Hiding from the rain? Looks like Helen doesn't mind the rain today. Looks like we got some wet silkies here at the Rylee Ranch. Come on out, ladies. Looks like Kevin looks pretty strange in the rain. Hey, Kevin. The grass is growing really good at the Rylee Ranch. Hope everyone had a great day from the Rylee Ranch.